Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is the difference between a change of character and a breaker block. There is a word, or I'll use the word a slogan. The slogan goes by all breaker blocks are change of characters, but not all change of characters are breaker block. I don't know if you guys understand that slogan. Well, it will change how you view the chart. It will change how you see the markets. It will change a lot of things on how you look at this chart entirely. Now we know that market does higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Am I correct? Now, when market breaks this zone, right, breaks the low, we are expecting it to come back here. We are expecting it to come back here and continuation. Now, how do we know a change of character? Until markets break this low, this is a buy scenario for a bullish momentum, higher high, higher low. Until markets break this low, a change of character has taken place. But as long as market has not come to test that last bullish candle here, the last bullish candle before the impulse move here, sorry, the last bearish candle before the impulse move here, a breaker block has not been created yet. A breaker block is not valid until market comes in here and touch here and comes down. That is when we are now confident that, oh, this is a breaker block. This for a bullish scenario turning to a bearish scenario. The same thing goes to the bearish momentum where market is going bearish and change back to a bullish momentum. Now coming down to the chart, we can see that here in the market, there was a shift in market structure. We had a downtrend here, which signaled what? A break of structure there. And there was a shift in market structure here. What is a mitigation block? Let me find you a break of structure. Now from inside here, this was our highest swing point. Internally, there was a break of structure here. Can you see that? And let me label it as a break of structure. And you can see here that market shifted structure, which is the lowest swing point before the impulse breakout. It's in this direction here, which signals what? A change of character, meaning market is no longer on the bullish momentum. Now, how do we signal our breaker block in this scenario? We come in here and mark this last candle before the impulse move, this candle entirely, and mark this candle entirely. So as long as market has not come back here and touched it, as long as market has not come back to test this breaker block, this zone here, we're not going to categorize this as a breaker block. So we'll patiently wait for market to come and touch this area for us to be confident that that is a full and a valid breaker block. If you look inside this chart well, we have a swing point here, which market did a break of structure here. Like I always tell people, you need to go and learn how swing point works. If you want to be an ICT trader, swing point is like the power of your trading, because the way you understand how swing point works, everything in this chart becomes very easy for you to understand. Now there was a swing point indicating a break of structure here for a higher swing upper here. That's higher high, higher low. The lowest low here is here, which market broke as a change of character. We are going to mark this whole environment here. The last candle, this is the last candle, the last bullish candle before the impulse move. And you can see it here, markets came in here. As long as market has not come in to touch this zone, this is a change of character, yes, but it has no signal to you that, oh, this is a breaker block. No. Until market comes there and touch that zone and comes down to create a break of structure, we'll now know that, oh, this is actually a valid breaker block. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to tap on the subscription button, ask your questions, ask me questions. I'm always excited to reply all the questions. Like the videos, and also share to your friends that are struggling, that would love to learn how to trade and are struggling to learn. This video can be helpful to them also. Thank you so much.